All right, on to page 2 of the exam. Question 9. Which of the following points is not on the line 2x minus 4, y equals 2x minus 4? Well, this one, it's easiest just to substitute in the points. When x equals 2, I would have 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4 is 0. So that is on the line. Negative 2, 2 by negative 2 is negative 4, minus another 4 is negative 8. That is also on the line. 0, negative 2. Well, when x is 0, y should equal negative 4. Well, that's not negative 4, so it looks like C is the answer. I'd probably just check the others to make sure. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2, so that would satisfy the line. And if x is negative 1, 2 by negative 1 is negative 2. Take away another 4 is negative 6. So we're pretty confident we got the right one there. The value of a to the nearest degree if sine a equals 0.9848 is something that I would need to check. So how do we do the inverse function of sine? It's the arc sine. So arc sine of 0.9848 equals a. And of course, on your calculators, that comes, the little button they have there is sine negative 1. I'm going to pause and find my calculator and we'll come back and see which one it is. Alright, so I've found my calculator. That's a good start. Let's go ahead and have a look at this. So first thing I need to do is make sure I'm in the right mode. So I go into 1 and here I am ready to find the arc sine. Remember, it's sine negative 1. You can see it in yellow there. But we need to make sure we're working in the right mode. Now this was giving, these answers are in degrees, so I've got to make sure when I go to my setup that I am in degrees. And you can see there for at the moment my angles are radians. Change it to degrees, press F1 and escape. Now when I go the arc sine of, what's the number again? 0.9848. We will be able to get the answer. 79.99. I am going to say that is closest to 80 degrees. So the value of A would be approximately 80 degrees. Solutions to the equation x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 5 equals 0 are. So this is our null factor law. If you have two things being multiplied equals 0, one of them has to be 0. So either x plus 3 equals 0, which would mean x equals negative 3, or of course x take 5 equals 0, x equals 5. So negative 3 and 5 are the numbers we're looking for. That looks like answer D to me. 3xy minus 12x is equal to. So this is just, obviously it's been factorized. Let's take out, well, the highest common factor of the numbers is 3 and the letters is x. So I could take out 3x as a common factor. The first term still needs a y. The second term needs the negative and a 4. 3x outside of y minus 4. Boom, we are done and moving on. The correct form of the quadratic formula is, if you don't know the song, you should be looking it up. Those of you who do know the song will know it's negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Letter D. There we go. Next one done. 14. The area of a triangle could be found using the rule. Half AB sine C. What is it that we need? You guys probably just remember the rule. The area is, of course, 1/2 AB sine C. So two sides and the angle in between. Remember, that could be written in a few different ways, couldn't it? As long as I've got two sides and the angle in between. So I could have a half AC sine B, or even 1/2 BC sine A. In this case, we've got a half AB sine C there. That's what I'm going to look. Just check it. AB sine C. Yep, that would work perfectly, wouldn't it? Oh, here we go. Negative 3 multiplied by the 4th root of a to the power of 5. Okay, trying to confuse you here by combining all of our index laws together, but it's not so bad. Negative 3, well, that just stays as it is. And how do I write the 4th root of a to the power of 5? Well, it's like I've got a to the power of 5 being raised to the power of 1/4, which is, of course, negative 3 a to the power of 5 over 4. And we might have that somewhere. Negative 3 a to the power of 5 over 4. There we have it. All right, 15 questions down. Catch you in the next video. Bye.